Hi, Chris here for Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to go from this to that. And this is actually kind of a part 2 of the video, which you can find it here, but not to worry, I will put the link in the description for you down below. Right, so if you copy this and paste it in a search bar, you will find this. You just have to follow. So this is the part 2, so let's get started now. So it's very simple. How do I achieve this? As you can see, when I click on here, if I go here, I have a designation, which is the type of text basically. Now you know it's very simple. If you look at the color here, I choose a green one. The size is a 36 and I bold it. So if I want to change this one only, I go to winding 2 or 3, it will work as well, if you see that. Oh, the reason why it doesn't work here, you can see it was with the letter A, the previous one. Alright, in winding only, it's the letter A. In here, winding 2, it's the letter P. Alright, I like this one better than that one, so that's why I change. I change the color, winding 2, I put letter P, and it doesn't work. That's very good. Alright. Oh, it's a majuscule P. Alright, majuscule P, and size I will put it at 36, and I bold it, or Control B on your keyboard, or you can go here and put bold. Alright, I show you again without all the misshape. I'm here, I put either the caps lock on or either shift button and press P. Alright, so this is because we are in winding. If I want windings 2, I just go down, windings 2, alright. And it doesn't work. And if I put a small one, it doesn't work also. That's so funny. Let's see this one, P. Okay. What about if I put winding 2? Okay. Oh yes, this one is because it didn't change. Windings 2, sorry, P, and there it is. And then I just have to change the color, change the size. 36 for this type of format is the maximum. Look, if I put a 72 for example, you don't see the whole item. Here you see part of it. 36 is just right for this format here, this size, right? Then on my keyboard I put Control B, but you can as well go here and bold it. And it's as simple as that. Every time I want to change here, I put the caps on, like this. I don't have to press the shift button, and just the P one. Alright, here will be in Calibri, so if I put P, it will be P. It's as simple as that. If you don't want to waste too much time of pressing here, pressing there, you can double click here. Alright, and every time you click somewhere, it will change it for you. And you can do the whole line like this. Alright, this, as I just said, is because it's the letter A. If I put the letter P, that's what happened. Now, if I do not want it, I just have to delete it. So I press delete, and that's it. When I put P again, it will appear. It's as simple as this. Alright, so in order for me not to change one by one, I will copy this, Control copy, or you can go here for copying. I press here, now I put shift, I go all the way here, I press Control and I go all the way down. Okay, not that much. And then I press Control V, or paste. I show you paste, and there it is. The one you don't want, it's simple, just go to the select, go to the one you don't want, or select the one you do not want and press delete on your keyboard. It's as simple as that. Alright, so if you want to know how I did this kind of formatting with changing only, let's say, a 2 here, and if I put a 3 it will become red. Alright, if I don't want, I just press delete, and this is called conditional formatting. Alright, this is much more only the font here, you can find it, format cells. As you can see, you have everything here. Alright, so that's about it for today. It was a short one, and I hope you have a nice holidays. Like every time, if you like this video, please do press the button like. You can subscribe if you want. If you subscribe, I advise you to press the bell button that you can find here. Alright, this will appear only if you press the subscribe. Like this, you will be notified every time I put a video. If you do not like this video, I will appreciate if you let me know in the comments down below why you do not like it. Like this, I might improve, and who knows, you may like it in the future. Bye now!